Hey learner, this is Nilesh Porate. So in this video, we will discuss how to search a given node in a singly linked list. If it is present, then print node is present in singly linked list. If it is not, then print node not available in singly linked list. Okay, so let's begin. So this is my function search. Okay, there is no return type, so that's why here return type is that the void. So here there is a parameter start. So this is your ready linked list. So for example, 4 is linked to 5, is linked to 6, linked to 7. So if we assume that this is your linked list, okay. So this is your start who's pointing to this first node. Here we assume some addresses, for example 1000, 2000, 3000 and the 4000. So see, ptr is the one variable. So by using ptr we traverse this linked list. So number is the variable. So by using printf scanf we accept one number from keyboard, and by using this for loop we find this number is in linked list or not. Okay, so see here ptr equal to start. See here this is your ptr equal to start. Then condition is that ptr is not equal to null and data is not equal to number. For example, if you want to search number 6, so see here ptr is not equal to null. Ptr have a one node, okay, and the data ptr of data is at the 4. So 4 is not equal to 6, true. Okay, so it is going to this incremental part because for loop have one semicolon. So ptr equal to ptr of next. So now here ptr is going to next. Again going to condition, ptr is not equal to null and data, now data is at the 5 is not equal to 6, true. Again going to next. Okay, see here ptr is not equal to null and the data is at the 6 is not equal to 6, false. So here we break this for loop, going to next line. So my next line is that here we check ptr is not equal to null, and if your data and the number both are equal, then it is going to if condition. So see here your data is that the 6 and the number is that the 6, both are the equal. So here, so print the output node is found. Okay, so now we check the invalid condition. So first we clear this content. So for example, your number is equal to 12. So 12 is not in a linked list. So see here by using this for loop ptr equal to start. So here this is your ptr. Okay, check here ptr is not equal to null and data is not equal to number. So ptr is not equal to null, the condition is true, and second condition 4 is not equal to 12. Okay, true. So ptr equal to ptr of next. So ptr is going to next. Here again ptr is not equal to null and the data is not equal to number, true, going to next. Again ptr is not equal to number and the 6 is not equal to 2, true, going to next. Again ptr is not equal to null and the 7 is not equal to 12, true, it is going to next. So on next there is no node, that is ptr is the null. Okay, so condition is that ptr is not equal to null. So here we break this for loop. Okay, and my if condition is that ptr is not equal to null, false. So it is going to else print node is not found. Like this way we validate the number or search the number in a linked list. So going to program mode, let's we have to test this function. So see in this program there is a structure get node function. By using get node we create a single node, then by using create function we create a singly linked list, then here we display the linked list, and here main method we create a start node and start equal to create, and here we display the singly linked list. First we test this code, compile and run. So how many nodes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here this is your linked list 5, 6, 7, 8 null. Now in this program we have to search a node in a current linked list. If it is, then print node is found, otherwise it print node is not found. So here my function name is that the search, then here parameter is that you are the current linked list. Here we declare one pointer variable, and here we accept one number from keyboard. So define here one printf and scanf function. So by using for loop, we search a node in a linked list, ptr equal to start. So ptr is not equal to null, and ptr of data is not equal to number. Then ptr equal to ptr of next. If it is found, then see here ptr is not equal to null, and second condition is that your data is same as your number. If it is, then print here node is found. Otherwise print invalid node. So here we check. After displaying, here we search function and call the start. Okay, so see here we test this code, compile and run. How many nodes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your linked list. Enter any number. Now we have to enter 7. See here node is found. Again we have to run this code. How many nodes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enter any number 12. See here invalid node. Okay, you can also convert this function into menu driven program. Just add one switch case, and in that case you can call this search function. Okay, so here we finish the search function topic. So if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Likes and subscribe this channel. See you on next video. Thank you.